Hi everyone! If you need your n8n workflow to access your Notion pages and make changes there, you will need to integrate Notion and n8n. We will do it in this video. Open the following URL in your browser: www.notion.so/profile/integrations. Create new integration. For this, find a button New Integration and click it. Name it n8n and associate it with a workspace. If you want only your account to have access to pages created by integration, leave it internal. If you want other users to use it, select public. For the public profile, you will have to enter company name, your website, tagline, privacy policy URL, terms of use, and email. We will use internal to simplify the setup. Click Save. Click Configure Integration Settings. Find internal integration secret and copy it. Go to n8n platform and find a plus button in the left top corner of the screen and select credential. In the search field, type Notion API. Click Continue and paste your integration secret in the field Internal Integration Secret. Click Save. You will see the notification that the credential was successfully created. You will see your Notion account added in a list of credentials in n8n, and also if you go to your workflows and open any Notion node, you will see your Notion account and Notion API in the credential to connect with dropdown. That's it. Congrats with successful setup.